Hello everyone, welcome back to NEERJA'S algorithm. Today I am going to take one 9th standard ka topic which is circle. Shall we start? Now in circles, this is you are seeing that circle mein I made some lines. This line which touches at one point outside called as the tangent, a line which touches the end point of the circle called as the chord, a line which goes through the center is called as the diameter, and a line which goes out of the circle, means it is not touching, it is going out of the circle, is called as the secant. The other thing is that then what is the longest chord that you studied in earlier classes also, but I am only reminding you that longest chord is called as the diameter, and chord I explained you that line touches the end point of the circle. Now I am going to start with the theorems. First theorem, equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Now what do you mean by subtend? Subtend means make, कि आपके जब chords equal होंगी तो they will make equal angles at the center. Whenever we are doing geometry, we need to write the given condition to prove construction and proof. Everything is needed. Now I am writing here given condition. Given is what beta? AB and CD are equal, chords are equal. Now what need to prove it? That their central angles is equal. I am going to start with the proof. If I am taking, let it be in triangle AOB and triangle COD. Now AB is equal to CD. You should clear with your congruency property and congruency concept. AB and CD are equal. Now if you see the figure, the radiuses are always equal of one circle. So AO is equal to OD. OB and OC are equal. Need to write the reason. This is given because it is given in the question only. Radius. This is also radius. Now, which rule? All the three sides, that means by triple S rule, triangle AOB will be congruent to triangle COD. When you make a triangles congruent, what will be happening? The things will be equal to each other. The reason will be CPCT. And what do you mean by CPCT? Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Understood everyone? Next theorem, which is the converse of first one. If the angles subtended by the chord of a circle at the center are equal, then chords are equal. Matlab, you have given that angles are equal and we need to prove that AB and CD are equal. Same procedure. First writing given condition. Given is angle AOB is equal to angle COD. Then to prove AB and CD are equal, going to start with the proof. Same thing, taking the triangle in triangle AOB and triangle COD. What is given? First I am writing that AOB is equal to COD. Reason given. Then OA is equal to OD. OB is equal to OC, radius. Now if you see the figure, this is the central angle, side, angle and side. Understood? Now we will use by SAS rule, triangle AOB will be congruent to triangle COD. When you make a triangles congruent, what will happen? The sides will be equal by the reason CP/CT. Got it बच्चों? दोनों थ्योरम्स कंप्लीट हो गई हैं. अब मैं स्टार्ट कर रही हूँ एक्सरसाइज 9.1 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. रिकॉल दैट टू सर्कल्स आर कॉन्ग्रेंट इफ दे हैव द सेम रेडियाई. मतलब है कि अगर मैं कहती हूँ कि दो सर्कल्स कॉन्ग्रेंट हैं, द मीनिंग इज दैट कि उन दोनों सर्कल्स के रेडियसेस इक्वल हैं. Prove that equal chords of the congruent circle subtend equal angles at their center. बहुत सारे बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि ये तो थ्योरम हो गई. ये थ्योरम नहीं है. यहाँ पर उन्होंने दो सर्कल्स की बात करी है. दैट यू नीड टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट. नाउ आई मेड द फिगर two circles. What was the given condition? I need to write it. Now I am writing here given condition that कि अगर कॉर्ड्स इक्वल है, सर्कल कॉन्ग्रेंट है. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय द कॉन्ग्रेंसी ऑफ द सर्कल? मैं रिपीट कर रही हूं, मतलब कि उनके रेडियस इक्वल है. तो पहले हमने गिवन कंडीशन लिखा. अब नाउ आई एम राइटिंग टू प्रूव. व्हाट टू प्रूव? दैट इज एंगल AOB is equal to angle CO-D. Going to start with the proof. AB and CD are equal. Writing given in the question only. OA is equal to O-C. मतलब रेडियसेस दोनों सर्कल्स के इक्वल है. तो नाउ रेडियस, सेम थिंग हियर. OB is equal to O-D by triple S rule. Triangle AOB will be congruent to triangle CO-D. When you make a triangles congruent, the central angles become equal. Right reason all of you know. Understood बच्चों? सेकेंड क्वेश्चन जो कि फर्स्ट का बिल्कुल कन्वर्स है. प्रूव दैट इफ द कॉर्ड्स ऑफ कॉन्ग्रेंट सर्कल सबटेंड इक्वल एंगल्स एट देयर सेंटर देन द कॉर्ड्स आर इक्वल. अब आपको प्रूव करना है कि दिस कॉर्ड आर इक्वल. अब जब आप मेरा ये वीडियो देखेंगे और इसे अच्छे से फर्स्ट से लेकर एंड तक पूरा देखेंगे, आपको किसी चीज़ की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. यू विल अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरीथिंग. तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट. गिवन कंडीशन. गिवन इज AOB is equal to CO-D. To prove AB and CD are equal. Going to start with the proof. Same procedure, taking triangle. In triangle AOB and triangle CO-D. What is given? OA is equal to O-C. OB is equal to O-D. Why? Radius. Because it is given that they are congruent circle. Angle AOB and angle CO-D are equal, which is given. आपको फिगर दिखाती हूँ. Side, angle and side. तो by SAS rule, what will happen? Triangle AOB congruent to triangle CO-D. जब आपने ट्रायंगल्स को कॉन्ग्रेंट कर दिया, कॉर्ड्स विल बिकम इक्वल. रीजन आप सबको पता है, CP/CT. गॉट इट बच्चों? Next theorem, which is 9.3. The perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. Making figure. This is your chord and it is a perpendicular from the center. OAB. Join that this line and this line. Now, first of all, I am writing the given condition. Given is O, taking this as C point, OC perpendicular to AB. Now, to prove AC and BC are equal. Now, we will take it, the triangles, in triangle AOC and triangle BOC. OA is equal to OBY, radius of the circle, correct? Now, OC and OC is the common side of both the triangle, correct? Now, again the thing is that angle OCA is equal to OCB, which is given 90 degree. So, by RHS rule, triangle AOC will be congruent to BOC, correct? And when you make a triangles congruent, AC and BC are equal using the property CP/CT. All of you understood? Next theorem, 9.4, which is converse of 9.3. The line drawn through the center of a circle to bisect the chord is perpendicular to the chord. Now, this is your figure. This is like this, O, A, B, and this is C point, correct? Now, what is given condition now? The given condition is AC and BC are equal. What you need to prove it? That angle OCA or OCB equal to 90 degree. Now, going to start with the proof. Same thing you have to do. I will take the triangle in triangle AOC and triangle BOC. अब आप लोग बोलिए, OA is equal to OB, correct? What? Radius of the circle. Then OC, again OC, common side of the triangle. Then what will happen? The other thing which is equal, AC and BC are equal, which is given. So what rule I am using? Side, 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 correct? So by triple S rule, triangle AOC will be congruent to triangle BOC. Again, I am using the property that by CP/CT, we are taking BOC equal. The reason is CP/CT. Then we know that they are making a linear pair, so it will be equal to 180 degree. Reason is linear pair. We proved already both are equal, so I can put it twice of AOC or BOC, whatever, is 180, and angle AOC is equal to 180 upon 2, which is 90 degree. Hence proved. Next theorem, which is theorem 9.5. Equal chords of a circle are equidistant from the center. Very important theorem. सबसे पहले फिगर बनाएंगे. इक्वल कॉर्ड्स मतलब अगर मैं यहाँ पर दो कॉर्ड्स ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ वो इक्वल है, करेक्ट? फर्स्ट थिंग, दिस इज द सेंटर, लेट इट बी. नाउ दिस इज द डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर. आई विल टेक इट L and M and join this and this. Figure understood? Starting with the solution. First I am writing the given condition. Given condition is AB and CD are equal. What to prove? Distance from the center are equal, which is OL is equal to OM. पहले clearly आप मुझे सुनिए and then do it. Then you will understand each and every part. Construction हमने किया है OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to CD. join O and B, O and D. Correct? Going to start with the proof. Wait a minute, bacho. Now, this one, proof. Which triangle I should take it? OLB in triangle OLB and triangle OMD. Now, in this triangle, if you have seen, this OB and OD are the radius of the circle and this angle is 90 degree. First thing I am taking, OB is equal to OD, radius of the circle. Next thing, angle OLB and OMD 90 degree. Reason is important, by construction. Correct? Then next thing will be, we know that AB and CD are equal and I put a perpendicular on it. That means we did the theorem now that perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. That means I can write down BL is equal to DM. Reason, perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. Okay? And reason always you need to write. Without reason you cannot get the marks. Okay? Now coming to the next part, it will be by RHS rule, triangle OBL or OLB will be congruent to triangle OMD. When you make a triangles congruent, OL and OM are equal, CP, CT. All of you understood? Theorem 9.6, which is the converse one. Chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. Same figure. First of all, these are the two chords AB and CD. I am naming it AB and CD. Center is O. This is L. This is M. And join it. Same figure. But now, how to start it? Writing given condition first. What is the given condition now? That the distance from the center are equal. Matlab OL is equal to OM. What I need to prove it? That the chords are equal. Construction, what I am doing it? OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to CD. Going to start with the proof. In triangle OLB and triangle OMD, OB and OD are equal. If you see the figure, you will understand radius. Then angle OLB is equal to angle OMD is equal to 90 degree by construction. Third thing, which is OL is equal to OM, which is given. Again, by RHS rule, triangle OLB will be congruent to triangle OMD. When I am making a triangles congruent, that means BL is equal to DM. I will multiply with 2. Why? Same reason that perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. So I am writing again, perpendicular from the center to the chord bisect the chord. That means if half is equal to the twice of that also equal. Any doubt बच्चों? Understood everyone? Example number 1, it's very important. If two intersecting chords of a circle, मैं पार्ट में आपको क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन करती हूँ. फर्स्ट है intersecting chords. तो कौन सी है वो? AB and CD which intersect at that point E. Correct? Then makes equal angles with the diameter. What is the diameter? This one is the diameter. Now this will be angle AEQ is equal to angle, this is DEQ. This is given in the question. Correct. Now if you see their point of intersection, prove that the chords are equal. Now I am writing given and this is to prove. Now what I need to prove it? That AB is equal to CD. I am doing some construction here. Without construction I cannot solve it. So I will do OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to CD. If I am taking triangle LEO, if you see this triangle LEO, angle LEO plus LOE plus OLE is equal to 180 degree. Everybody knows angle sum property. LEO I am keeping it like that. LOE भी यहाँ पर, लेकिन by construction ये आपका 90 डिग्री है. करेक्ट. अब यहाँ पर LEO प्लस LOE इज इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री और मैं यहाँ पर इस तरीके से लिख देती हूँ LEO इज इक्वल टू 90 माइनस LOE. इक्वेशन नंबर 1. मैं दोबारा ये वाला ट्राइंगल ले रही हूँ तो मैं सिमिलरली राइट डाउन कर रही हूँ. सिमिलरली आप यहाँ पर लिखेंगे विच ट्राइंगल? MEO, sorry, angle we should take it. Angle MEO is equal to 90 minus MOE. Now we know that LEO and MEO are equal, which is given in the question. So I can equate from equation 1 and equation 2. We got it. 90 minus LOE is equal to 90 minus MOE. This cancelled. We proved it. These two angles which are at the center are also equal. Now I am taking triangle. In triangle LOE and triangle MOE. चलिए बोलिए कौन कौन से एंगल है? LEO is equal to MEO. Reason given in the question. We proved it already. LOE and MOE are equal. So you can write down proved above. Then I will write down OE is equal to OE, which is common side of both the triangle. Which rule I used it? By ASA rule. Triangle LOE will be congruent to triangle MOE. When you make a triangles congruent, OL is equal to OM, CPCT. What are these? If the distance from the center are equal, the chords are automatically equal. We did the theorem now. So I am writing implies AB and CD are equal by the theorem that chords equidistant from the center of a circle are equal in length. All of you understood? It's an important question and each and every step is very important. So first, do it properly 2 times, then you will get it. Please subscribe, like and share my videos if you want to see more topics, more and more topics and with very easy way. So please like and share. Thank you so much.